Episode 8, Us Shadow Minis. Floats. Word of the day, float. Scene 1. The shadow find a balloon, dripping up. It can float, says Garlic. They each try holding it. Toast lifts a little. Garlic rise and spin. Cheese floats so high they almost drifted away. They pull Cheese back down, giggling. We float. The word floats appeared as the balloon drifts into the sky. The word of the day was float. A Shadow Mini, episode 8. Stay tuned for more episodes.